To keep your Costway portable air conditioner running efficiently, regular cleaning is absolutely essential. Today, we'll cover the most important cleaning steps that every owner should know. Always start by powering off and unplugging the unit for safety. This prevents any electrical accidents and allows the unit to cool down before you begin cleaning. The air filter is the most critical component to clean regularly. During heavy use periods, clean it every 2 weeks. For lighter use, monthly cleaning is sufficient. Remove the filter, usually located at the back or top of the unit. Vacuum off the dust and debris. If the filter is washable, use mild detergent and water, but ensure it's completely dry before reinstalling. Don't forget to empty and clean the water tank regularly. Use a mixture of water and white vinegar to kill bacteria and prevent mold growth. This simple step keeps your air fresh and healthy. A clean air conditioner not only cools better, but also uses less energy, saving you money on electricity bills. Regular maintenance extends the unit's lifespan and ensures you're breathing cleaner, healthier air. Remember, consistent cleaning every 2 weeks during heavy use keeps your Costway portable AC running at peak efficiency. These simple steps will ensure years of reliable cooling performance. Deep cleaning your portable air conditioner requires attention to the internal coils and other critical components. The evaporator and condenser coils are essential for efficient cooling and need regular maintenance. Start by gently vacuuming the coils to remove surface dust and debris. Use a soft brush attachment to avoid damaging the delicate fins. This initial cleaning step is crucial for accessing the coils properly. Apply a specialized coil cleaner or create a mild soap and water mixture. Spray or apply the solution evenly across the coils, allowing it to sit for a few minutes to break down stubborn dirt and grime. After the cleaning solution has worked, gently wipe the coils clean with a soft cloth. Be careful not to bend or damage the fins during this process. Proper technique ensures effective cleaning without component damage. Next, inspect the exhaust hose thoroughly. Check for any cracks, leaks, or obstructions that could reduce efficiency. Clean the hose interior using a vacuum cleaner or a specialized brush to remove accumulated dust and debris. Clean the exterior surfaces with a damp cloth and mild detergent. Pay special attention to air vents and louvers where dust commonly accumulates. This external cleaning improves both appearance and airflow efficiency. Critical step: ensure all components are completely dry before reassembly. Moisture can cause electrical issues and promote mold growth. Allow adequate drying time, especially for filters and internal components. For optimal long-term performance, schedule professional servicing at least once per year. Professional technicians can perform deep maintenance tasks and identify potential issues before they become costly problems. When storing your unit long-term, clean and dry it thoroughly first. Store in a ventilated, dry location away from extreme temperatures. Proper storage prevents damage and ensures your unit is ready for the next cooling season.